Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create transparent text in Capcut. First, create a new project and add your video footage to the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, select it and open the video settings panel. Scroll down until you find Canvas, enable it, and choose a black background color. Next, reduce the scale of your video clip and move it outside the visible canvas area. This will help prepare the transparent text effect we're creating. Now click on Text in the top menu and select Add Text. Drag the text layer onto the timeline and extend it so it matches the length of your video. Enter the text you want to use, then adjust the font size and style as needed. Once you're happy with the text, select both the video clip and text layer. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. After that, move the compound clip to the track above your main video. Now drag your original video footage onto the track underneath the compound clip. Select the compound clip, go to Video Settings, scroll down to Blend, and open the Blend Mode menu. From here, experiment with different blend modes such as Darken, Soft Light, or others until you achieve the transparent text effect you're looking for. You'll notice the video becomes visible through the text, creating a clean transparent text animation. Feel free to try different blend modes to find the effect that works best for your project, and that's it for today's video. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.